how to get free DoorDash. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can get free DoorDash, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to get free DoorDash, all you have to do is basically open up the DoorDash application. Now you might not get food completely for free, but you can actually get a couple of discounts. One way that you can get a discount is by looking out for current offers that they might have for the food. So sometimes they might offer some kind of promo code. You might always want to watch out for coupon codes. You can share your referral code with someone and actually get some kind of percentage off. Then you can also basically go to the offers tab over here. Then you can actually sign up for Dash Pass, which will also give you most likely very good deals. If you have gift card, you might also want to make sure to redeem your gift card as well. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically get free DoorDash. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.